Alright guys, today we will be tying the San Diego jam knot. It's the best all-around knot in my opinion. It's great for braid, monofilament, and fluorocarbon. Alright, let's get started here. So we're going to take our tag end here, go through the top of our hook, grab our tag end, then we're going to make a loop around our index finger here. We're going to go ahead, go over the top, then we're going to wrap down towards the eye of the hook about 7 times. You may want to use more if you have a smaller diameter braid or fluorocarbon, but 7 usually does the trick. We're going to go ahead and go through here. Gotta cinch our knot up a little bit there. We're going to go ahead and remove our index finger. Now that loop that we created earlier, you see our main line running through it. We're going to go ahead and shove our tag end down through that loop. Alright, now we're going to grab our main line here. Kind of pull everything a little bit tight. Now we're going to go ahead and wet our knot. Get it nice and wet. Friction's a killer enemy to these knots. Go ahead and pull it up. Grab your main line again. And we're going to go ahead and cinch this baby down. You can use a boat cleat, boat rail, or if you're at home, use a little vise like this, but you really want to cinch it down. Go ahead, grab that tag end. We're going to come in here and we're going to trim this nice and close here. There you have it. There's the San Diego jam knot, my go-to knot. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button, that like button. Leave me a comment if there's something I can do better, or if there's a knot you would like to see tied. We'll be posting these videos once a week. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.